Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're a pizza enthusiast who dreams of crispy wood-fired pies at home but hates the bulk of traditional ovens or the inconsistency of grills that never get hot enough, then get ready to ignite your backyard because today we're firing up a compact cooking marvel that's changing the game. I'm talking about the Gozney Arc pizza oven. This gas-fired powerhouse reaches 950 degrees Fahrenheit to cook 14-inch Neapolitan pizzas in 90 seconds with perfect char and bubbly crusts. And it's designed for easy setup with flame control for even heat. Grab it on Amazon right now through the link in the description, and trust me, it's going to make your pizza parties, family gatherings, and weekend cooks tastier, faster, and more fun without the hassle of messy fuels or long preheats. Let's dive in and see why this oven is sizzling hot in 2025. First, the feature breakdown on the Gozney Arc pizza oven. This isn't your basic grill attachment. It's Gozney's compact gas pizza oven, designed for outdoor use with a modern dome-shaped build that's insulated for efficiency and safety, weighing about 55 pounds for sturdy portability. At the heart is the powerful gas burner that connects to standard propane tanks, reaching up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit for rapid cooking, delivering 14-inch pizzas in 90 seconds with that signature leopard spotting and tender dough. It features a thick cordiorite stone floor for even heat distribution and crisp bottoms, and a flame regulator knob for controlling heat across the oven to avoid burnt edges or undercooked centers. The oven includes a professional pizza peel for launching pies, a gas hose and regulator, and a user manual with tips. The exterior is silicone coated for safe touch during use, and the wide mouth opening makes it easy to insert and rotate pizzas. Dimensions are about 22 inches deep by 18 inches wide by 20 inches high, making it ideal for patios, balconies, or tailgates. Setup is straightforward. Attach the gas hose to propane, light the burner, preheat for 15 to 20 minutes, and start cooking. Priced around $499, it's a premium option with pro performance for home chefs. Versatility is key. Besides pizza, sear steaks for juicy perfection, roast veggies for charred flavour, or bake flatbreads for quick appetizers. The flame control lets you adjust for low and slow cooking too, making it great for experimenting with styles like New York thin or Chicago deep dish. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are massive. The high heat capability and 90-second cooks mean restaurant quality pizzas fast. Gas fuel is clean and consistent without ash mess. The compact design is portable yet stable, and users love the even heat that gives professional results every time. It's easy for beginners with no assembly. The stone retains heat for multiple pies, and flame control prevents common mistakes. The price offers value for the quality, and cleanup is simple with a brush. But no oven is perfect. The main con is the gas-only fuel. No wood option for smoky taste without add-ons. It's pricey at $499 for casual users. The stone can crack if not preheated properly, and while insulated, the exterior can get hot during long use. Overall, pros dominate for pizza fans. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Gozney Arc pizza oven if you want pro pizzas at home. The pros, like fast cooks, even heat, and portability, make total sense for backyard chefs, entertainers, or flavor seekers. It's not just an oven, it's your shortcut to gourmet pies. Before we wrap, if these reviews sizzle your interest, hit subscribe for more gear tips. Click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.